In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the puppet pin tool. And this can be really helpful for just manipulating shapes subtly or to a larger degree. And you've got to be careful when you use it just so you don't over exaggerate certain shapes. But for example, if I have my hand here and I go to the puppet pin tool, which is below the free transform tool, you'll see it underneath. What it allows you to do is first you have to select your shape. So command or control to select your shape. And you'll see that it will activate with a mesh, which is up here, show mesh. And sometimes it adds adds pins to your shape to begin with. So I'm going to start off by deleting those and add them in myself. And so when I put one at the bottom and I put one at the top, what this does is it adds in points where your shape will stay true to its form. So for example, if I then go in and move this hand, you'll see that I can get the shape to sort of bend based on those 2 points. And this gets a little distorted when I do something like that. So what I might do is come back to its original shape and add another one in the middle. So now when I come in and I can wiggle these around. If I come back in and I move my shape like that, you'll see I've got this nice sort of bend happening, and I can exaggerate it this way, and I've got control over it when I move this middle one. So this is nice just to do some sort of subtle movements. One thing you'll notice at the top here is if I want to move these hands, you got to make sure you have, or these fingers, you've got to have space in the mesh between them. So you'll see that there is space between this finger and this finger. So what I can do is I can click in here, and if I try and move this, notice that the rest of the hand comes with it. So I'm going to need another one for it to stay stable, and I might need to put one more, but let's see if that works. All right, cool. So that one worked pretty well. Same thing for at the top up here. If I want this finger to move, put one at the top and one down there towards the bottom. And now I can move that one a little bit separately. So all of these, if I need them to move, I can have them move just subtly that way. So it takes a little bit of negotiation to make these work, but they're really helpful. Even if you're just like elongating a shape, I can take this and stretch it down and it'll retain that sort of bendiness. But you can go too far and really distort the shape too much, but that's how you use the puppet pin tool.